Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, Sunday isn't over with yet. We got a couple of more watch faces for you all to check out. So stay tuned, have a look at them. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today, we got a couple of awesome watch faces we thought you may like to take a look at. All right, so we're gonna start off with the first one. This one here is by Smart Watch Faces. Now, the name of the watch face is called Sapphire Gears Cyan. Now, I'm liking the design. This is out of the box look, very different, very unique at its own right. As you can see, you got a second hand going around on this type of watch face. Now, if you look at it, on one side, you got your goal completed, give you the percentage down at the bottom. Same thing with the calories burned. You get a needle down there to let you know how much you have burned thus far. And then you come down, you're gonna get your date. Now, I like the look and I like the layout of this. Look at the date right there. Very nice. You come down, this one here is gonna be your battery percentage as well. And you also have shortcuts. I don't know if you can see them yet, but right here, you have your music player. You can tap on there and get your music player. You can set an alarm. You also got other shortcuts you can take a look at, like if you use S voice. I'm thinking this is a good look, very unique, very different. And yes, this watch face is gonna definitely turn heads. And if I double tap right here, I can customize the theme and the look of the watch face. I thought that was a nice added touch to give you something different to wear from day to day, from week to week, from maybe month to month. I thought the developer did a great job on this watch face. You got many to choose from, as you can see. I mean, just cycle through all the many different ones that this design has to offer. I'm liking it. Very nice, very unique. Tap there too. Very nice. Very nice. And you can go in and get your step status info. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking this developer did a real good job on this one, but I would like to hear your thoughts on this watch face. Is this a watch face you would buy or you would want to download? All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Number 2. Now, number 2 is nice as well. Look at it. Very different, very unique. And it is animated. The name of the watch face is called 3D Animated Gear G. It's not a bad look at all. Even in the always on mode, you're gonna get the full look of this watch face, but it's just gonna be dimmed down. Still a good look though, but when the watch face is on, you treat it to an analog watch face. You got gears that are animated. The design is very unique, very nice. If you look at the top, you're gonna get info on your step goal. On the other side, you're gonna get info on your battery percentage as well. You come down, you got the day of the week. I thought that was very nice. And if you look at it, it's got a second hand going around this type of watch face, which I thought was different. And you get the date down at the bottom. So this is very unique. If I tap here, I can get my step status info. If I tap here, I can go in and get my settings and do what I need to do to tweak the watch. And if I tap here, I can get my calendar, set an event, or just see what's going to happen later on down the week, maybe set an event. I thought this was definitely very nice. If I tap here, this is what happens. Check it out. It's very nice. Very different, very unique. I'm liking it. I could tap here, do the same thing. Cycle through the different colors that this watch face has to offer, which is quite a few. I mean, not bad, right? All right, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're relaxing on this fun day Sunday. And with that, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care and relax.